Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. In today's video, we're taking a look at Windows 10 Ghost Spectre, one of the most popular lightweight Windows editions for low-end and older PCs. We'll go through the installation process, check RAM usage, storage footprint, built-in tools, and some of the unique features included in this custom build. Let's get started. During the installation process, you'll notice a new addition called Windows 10 Home. This option has been added alongside the other available Ghost Spectre editions, giving users another installation choice depending on their needs. After Windows is installed, a Ghost Spectre message window will appear. Here you'll see several available Windows versions, ranging from 2H1 up to the latest to 2H2 release. To install the newest version, simply type the number 1 in the box and press Enter. Now let's open the Start menu. This build comes with Start menu spec, providing a classic and familiar Windows experience. Next, let's open this PC and check the storage usage. As you can see, the Windows installation occupies less than 8 GB on the C drive, making it an excellent choice for systems with limited storage. Now let's take a look at Task Manager. The system is currently using around 900 MB of RAM while idle. We can also see approximately 73 running processes, which is quite low compared to a standard Windows installation. One of the interesting additions in this build is Ghost Mode. By right-clicking on the desktop, you'll find several useful tools including Memory Reducer, God Mode, Clean up temporary files, and Power Options. These shortcuts provide quick access to common optimization features. Next, let's open Ghost Toolbox. This utility gives users access to additional tweaks, optional components, and customization tools specifically designed for Ghost Spectre editions. Now let's head over to Personalization and open the Themes section. Here you can customize the appearance of the system and choose the style that best fits your preferences. And that's it for this review of Windows 10 Ghost Spectre. Overall, this build offers a lightweight experience, low RAM usage, and several useful optimization tools for older hardware. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Tech for Boost for more Windows Lite reviews, comparisons, and optimization content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.